Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to show you how to make this easy and traditional Indian mango pickle. First take panch put on. You need to wash them and then roast them. My mother already washed them and roast them. If you guys roast it, you guys can get a nice aroma and nice smell. Then take some garlic which you need to peel it and wash it with green chili and red chili. For everything, if you want to keep it aside, you guys first need to dry them after washing them. And then take our garlic and put it inside a blender and blend it. After blending for a while, it should look something like that. Then take our red chili and roast it for a while. After roasting the red chili, take out the roast chili and take this big pot. Add lots of oil and then add the blended garlic. Fry the garlic inside the oil for a while. After frying for a while, it should look something like that. And then add chili, turmeric and salt for taste. Then add our grinded saffron. And then mix them together and then add your cutted mangoes. Then stir it for a bit. Then add vinegar and our green chili. You guys can add suitable amount of masala ingredients. We added how much we want. After mixing for a while, add the red chilies. You guys can keep this in the sunlight for 1 or 2 hours so that it becomes tasty. And our tasty mango pickle is ready. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.